Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create advanced WooCommerce Wishlist plugin using Claude AI. So we're going to create a plugin from the scratch using Claude AI, which you can install on any WooCommerce website. First, I'm going to show you how the plugin works. Later, I'll show you what is the exact prompt that I used to create this plugin. There were some errors in the first version of the plugin. I'll show you how I used Claude AI to fix the errors in this plugin and what are the advanced features that I added in this WooCommerce Wishlist plugin. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website. Here you will see a list of products that I have on this demo website, and on each product you will see add to wishlist button. These products are already added to the wish list. Now let's say I want to add this product to wish list. So I'm going to click on add to wish list and you will see list of wish list that I have already created. So on this demo website, I have already created 2 wish lists. So the user will be able to create multiple wish lists and add the product to any wish list. So I'm going to select this wish list. If you want to create a new wish list, you can enter a name for the wish list and create a new wish list. Let's try adding this product, and this time I'm going to select the default one, and you will see that the product is added to wish list. Now let's go to the wish list page, and I'm going to refresh this page, and you will see that new product is added to the wish list, and this is the second wish list that I have created. Now let's say I want to move this product to cart. So I'm going to click on move to cart, and it will move the product to the cart and it will remove that product from the wish list automatically. So let's click on move to cart, and you will see that the product is moved automatically to the cart and it is removed from the shopping list. Now if I want to delete or remove the product from the wish list, here is a button. If I click on it, it is going to remove that product from the wish list. Same thing for the second wish list. Click on remove and the product will be removed. If you want to delete the entire list, you will see an option to delete the list. If you want to rename the list, you can rename the list. If you want to create a new list, you can click on plus sign here, enter the name for the wish list and click on OK, and it will create a new wish list. Let's cancel it. Let's go to the settings of this plugin, and you will see some advanced features are available in this plugin. Under notifications, you will see price drop alerts. Email customers when a wishlisted product's price drops. So if the price of the product drops, then it is going to automatically send an email to the customer that the price has been dropped for the product which is in the wish list. The second feature is a back in store alert. If the product is out of stock and if you have that product back in stock, then it is going to send an email automatically to the customer that the product is back in stock. So these are the advanced features that I have added to this WooCommerce Wishlist plugin. If I go back to the website and if I go to single product page, you will see a wishlist button on the single product page also. Now I'm going to show you what is the exact prompt that I used in Claude to create this plugin, and I'll show you how you can install the plugin and what are the basic settings of the plugin.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So let's go to Claude. Here I'm logged into my Claude account. I have an application installed on my computer and I'm using the Claude application. If you do not want to install the application, you can still use the Claude AI in a browser. You can create a free account on Claude AI and start using it. Let me close it. Here you will see the initial prompt that I used. Can you create WooCommerce Wishlist plugin? Do not create a plugin right now. I just want to know if you can create it or not. What will be the features of the Wishlist plugin? So this was the simple prompt that I entered, and you will see the answer here. Yes, I can build a WooCommerce Wishlist plugin. It would be a custom WordPress plugin written in PHP, and these are the features. Add to wishlist button on product page, shop page, category page, and quick view pop-ups. Ajax add or remove so the page doesn't reload. A dedicated wishlist page where you can add a shortcode and display the wishlist. Wishlist item count shown in the header or the menu. Storage for the logged in users and for the guest. Support for variable products, so the specific variation a customer picked gets saved. Below that you will see some advanced feature, nice to have or advanced features. Share wishlist via a public link, email or social sharing. If I go back here to the wishlist page, you will see share option. So I can share this wishlist on Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, email, I can copy the link and send it personally. Below that you will see email this wish list to a friend. So I can send this wish list via email also. Let's go back. The next feature is notify me alerts when a wishlisted item goes on sale or comes back in stock. Multiple named wishlist per customer. Admin dashboard showing wishlisted products. Settings page to customize the button, text, icon, position. Page used for the wishlist. And it is translation ready. So these are the features that the Claude AI suggested, and I asked the Claude AI to build the plugin. It started working on it and it took approximately 10 minutes to create the first version of the wishlist plugin. So here, if I scroll down, you will see all the details that it has gone through, and this is the first version. If you click on it, you will see an option to download the plugin from here. So you can download it and save it on the computer and upload the plugin to the WooCommerce website. Now in the first version of the plugin, there was an issue. It was giving me error and it was not adding the product to the multiple wish list. I was able to create multiple wish lists, but whenever I click on add to wish list, all the products were saved in the same default wish list. So it is not giving me an option to select the wish list where I want to save the product. So that was the issue with the first version. So I asked the Claude to fix the issue. The plugin works properly. I created multiple wish lists, that is also working. But when I add the product to the wish list, it does not give me an option to select the wish list. So I asked the Claude to fix the issue and create a new updated version 1.1. And I also asked the Claude to use quick tips as the author name. Then it started working on it. It found some issues. It found some bugs, it fixed the errors and gave me the second version of the plugin, that is version 1.1. So I clicked on it and here you will see an option to download the plugin. I downloaded the final version of the plugin, installed it, and now it is working properly. I'll show you the settings of this plugin. So let's go to dashboard. Let me first show you the plugin. Go to plugins. And here you will see the plugin that I installed, Advanced Wishlist for WooCommerce. And you will see the author name is also there. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create WooCommerce product custom fields plugin using Claude AI. I have also shown you how you can create a custom WordPress contact form plugin using Claude AI. If you want to watch these videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. Once you download the plugin, you can click on add a plugin, go to upload plugin, browse the plugin file. This is the plugin that I downloaded. Select the plugin, click on open and click on install now. I have it already installed. Once you install and activate the plugin, in the left hand panel you will see the option wish list. Click on it. And here you will see the basic settings of this plugin. The label is add to wish list. If I go back to the website, here you will see the label add to wish list. Then we have added label. This is the label when you save the product in wish list. Show button on and you will see a drop down. Single product page only, shop or category loop only, both and neither. You can use a short code to place the button. In this case, I have selected both. So that means it is going to display the button on single product page as well as on the category or the shop page like this. Wish list, guest wish list. If you want to allow visitors to create a wish list, you can check this option. If you do not want guest visitors to create a wish list, you can uncheck this option. Multiple wish list, that option is also enabled. Let customers create more than one named wish list. So here I have it enabled and I can create multiple wish list. Then we have wish list page. Here you will see list of all the pages and I have created one page here, wish list. I'm going to select that one. Let me show you the page here. If I go to all pages and here I created this page, wish list. That was a blank page. Let's go to edit. And on this page, I have a shortcode. So this is the shortcode that I use to display the wish list on this page. If I go to Claude AI, you will see that instruction here. This is the shortcode that is generated for this plugin. So here on this page, I have added the shortcode and this is how the page looks. So all the wish list will be shown on this page. So if I go back here, this is the page, wish list. You can create a new page on your website and put a shortcode there. Then we have sharing option. If you want to share the wish list, you can enable this option. Social sharing is enabled. And these are the platforms: Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Pinterest, and email. If you do not want any one of them, you can simply uncheck them. Then we have notification price drop alert, that is enabled. Back in stock alert, that is also enabled. Check the frequency is set to twice daily. You can change it to hourly or daily. So it is going to check the price of all the products twice a day, and it is also going to check the stock twice a day. Email from name, that is the name of your business, and email from address, that is your business email address. So this is the name and the emails that will be shown on the email that you are going to send to the customer. Then we have advanced uninstall, delete all the wishlist data when this plugin is deleted. Once you are done with the changes, you can click on save settings. Under wishlist, you will see an option most wishlisted. Click on it, and here you will see the list of products which are most wishlisted. So I have 3 products here. So if you are looking for a wishlist plugin for your WooCommerce website, you can try creating advanced wishlist plugin using Claude AI. Here I asked the Claude AI whether I can create the same plugin using the free Claude AI, and this is the answer. Yes, the underlying capability that built this plugin is available on the free version too, not just for the pro version. It may take multiple sessions to create such a plugin. You can try it and let me know in the comment section whether you can create the same wishlist plugin using the free version of Claude AI. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.